John has a certain amount of candies. He gave a third of it to his friend Anton, and then gave half of what was left to his friend Adrian. John then had 12 candies left. How many candies did John start with? Okay, so we want to find the number of candies did John start with. So let the number of candies from the start be X. Okay? And then he gave a third. He gave a third or one third of it to his friend Anton. Okay? So this is the original number of candies, X. So we will subtract a third of this. So X minus one third X. So this will be the remaining after John gave candies to his friend Anton. Okay, so X minus one third X. So there is an invisible 1 here. So 1x minus one third x. So we just need to subtract 1 minus one third. That is equal to 2 thirds. Okay? Because 1 can be written as 3 over 3. To make the fraction similar, both have denominators of 3. So subtract the numerator, 3 minus 1, we have 2 thirds. So 1x minus 1 third x is equal to 2 third x. Okay? So 2 third x or 2x over 3. Okay, so this is the remaining after John gave candies to his friend Anton. And then next, and then gave half of what was left. What was left, this is what was left, 2x over 3 or 2 third x. So John gave half of what was left to his friend Adrian. So we will get the 1/2 of what was left. So we will multiply this 2x over 3. 2x over 3, we will multiply this to 1/2. Okay? So this will be the remaining after John gave candies to Anton and then to Adrian. Okay, so let's just multiply this. We can cancel. So we have 2x in the numerator and then 2 in the denominator. We can simply cancel the 2. And then multiply the remaining numbers, x times 1. So we have x over 3. So this is the remaining candies after after John gave to Anton and to Adrian. So John then had 12 candies left. Okay? So the remaining x over 3 is equal to 12 candies. Okay? So the equation now will be x over 3 that is equal to 12. So the question is, how many candies did John start with? So just find the value of x. So we can multiply both sides of this equation by 3 to cancel out the denominator. So multiply both sides of the equation by 3. We can cancel this. Therefore, x is equal to 12 times 3. We have 36. The correct answer is letter D. Okay, so let's do the checking. 36, the original number of candies. And then, he gave a third of it to his friend Anton. One third of 36. One third of 36 is equal to 12. Okay? So 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. So 24 candies left after John gave to Anton. And then next, he gave half of what was left to his friend Adrian. So we get the half of 24, 1/2 of 24, that is equal to 12. And then subtract 24 minus 12, the remaining candies is 12, which is, based on our problem, John then had 12 candies left. Okay? So 12 candies left after he gave third a third to Anton and then half of it to Adrian. So the correct answer letter is letter D, 36. Follow for more.